I'm Amrita this side, and today we are going to create a typing speed is in Python. Okay, and for that purpose, we need to import random. I will tell you later why I'm importing random, and second module I will import here time, and further I will describe why I am importing this. Okay, all right. So our next task is to create a list. Okay, and sentences. I will create here a list, a set of sentences. Okay, let's suppose first sentence is Python is powerful programming language. Okay, and another sentence is speed typing can help you improve productivity productivity. Okay, and the last sentence is practice makes you perfect, so keep typing. Okay, so there are three sentences I have written, and what will happen, our computer will pick any of the sentences to show the user, and user will start typing this sentence, the same sentence. Okay, good. Now you understand why I was importing this random module. Very good. Okay, so our next task is to create a function, and let's name is typing speed. Simple typing speed. Okay, all right. And here, what will happen? Our computer will generate, not generate. Our computer will pick any of the sentences given here, right? And let's store in a variable and name it as sentence. Okay. Don't be confused. This is sentences and this is sentence. I have not written here as here. Okay. All right. So random dot choice method. You know very well what they do, and sentences. Okay, so what will happen? Choice method will help our computer to pick any of the sentence from here. Good. Okay, so our next step is what? I want to show what is sentences, right? So let's write here. Uh, Here is your sentence. Please type as soon as possible. Okay, and show the sentence. I will use your f string, of course, and f, and wait a minute, sentence, this one. Okay, this sentence I have to show, right? Good. Now our next task is to count the start the timer actually. Okay, so let me write here. Okay, so start time it is. Okay, and let me write here start time, and our time module and time method, it will start our time. Okay, and this is our variable, it will store. Okay, and it will start counting time in seconds, right? Okay, good. And now take input from user. So type sentence by user. See, now understand, this is not good way to write variable name, but I am writing this to understand. Okay, so obviously it will be taken by input function, right? So let me type here start typing above sentence. Okay, and user will start typing and it will store here. Okay, good. Now end time, count end time. Okay, and right here end time, this is variable, and when the user will be done typing, it will store the time. Okay, and time dot time. Got it? Okay, cool. Now let me count here total, wait a minute, total time taken by the what user, right? Total time taken by the user. Total time, this is variable, and how I will count total time taken by the user, what I will do, I will write start time, no, end time actually. Okay, So end time minus start time, right? And in this way, I can get total time in second. Okay, good. Now our next task is to know how many words are there in a sentence. And why I want to calculate this, just because I want to show the result, speed typing result in WPM. What is WPM? Words per minute, right? That's why I need to calculate total words in a sentence. And for this purpose, let's write here comment on count to total words in a sentence. Okay, and for this one, I have to write here. Wait a minute, let me write word count and length. I will show you, don't worry, how it is working. I will show you practically. Okay, sentences, whatever sentence is there, right? Just split it. Okay, see this split method, it will break the sentence. Okay, and it will store all the words in a list separate. Okay, I will show you, don't worry. Okay, let me show you first. I will show you here this thing. Okay, let it be there. I will show you. Okay, okay, so our next task is to calculate WPM. What is WPM? WPM is words per minute. And how we will count these words per minute? So there is a formula, don't worry. It is very easy that what is word count, okay, divided by total time, okay, and into 60. Simple. Got it? So this is our formula to count WPM. Because let me create a variable WPM. This is a variable, and this is our formula to count WPM. Okay, now good. Now what will happen? I have to check that if user written the exact or same sentence or not. Okay, so uh, wait a minute. Let me write comment here. Check if users sentence. So now understand, please. Okay, so if user sentence is correct or not, and for that purpose, what we have to do, if typed simple typed sentence by user is equal to sentence, given sentence, then print. I just wanted to print a message here that great job, each words you typed are correct. Simple. Or wait a minute, let me copy it. And else, if it is not same, then I want to print here. mm, Oops, you typed incorrect. Okay, clear? Very good. Now I want to display what? Show result in WPM. Right, so for that purpose I have to write here print, of course, and I have to show time, total time taken, right? So let me write here that time taken by you, total, wait a minute, I have to use your F string. Now total time. Okay, so this is our total time, and the second result I want to show what? WPM, right? So your typing speed is, so let me use your F string, and here WPM. Clear? Very good. Okay, and now we have to, of course, call our function, that is timing typing speed. Cool. Okay. All right. And now save it and run it. Okay, so here is your sentence. Please type as soon as possible. Practice makes you perfect, so keep typing. Okay, so I have to write it here. Start typing above sentence. So practice makes you perfect, so keep typing. This is our sentence. All right, now see, since I have used here this print, wait a minute, this print sentences. No, no, not this, wait a minute. Yeah, printer sentence split I have used here. That's why it is showing here that this one. Got it? Practice makes you perfect, so keep typing. So our split function split each word and store in a list. Okay, and it count each word, that how many words are there in a sentence, right? Good. Oops, you typed incorrect. Okay, तो कुछ मेरा गलत हो गया था. ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या हो गया था. तो स्टार्ट टाइपिंग अब सेंटेंसेस. अच्छा, मैंने क्या क्या लिख दिया है, हे प्रभु. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स play again, and let me remove this one and control s and this. Okay, so Python is powerful programming language. I have to type this sentence, right? Okay, so Python is powerful programming language. Great job. Each words you typed are correct, and my typing speed is 18. Oh my god. That can you say this decimal part? Okay, so make it shorter. We can do one thing. Hold on. I can write here like okay. So our sentence is practice makes you perfect. So practice makes you perfect. So keep typing. Alright, so oops, you typed incorrect. क्या गलत हो गया भाई? Practice makes you perfect. Okay, space, one space. Okay, so that's why you typed incorrect, and time taken by you 30.12 second, and my typing speed is 32. Okay, so this is typing speed created by you. You can create your own typing speed test, and you can write here whatever you wanted to write. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your typing speed game. Okay, so hope so you understand. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Thank you so much.